Welcome to the official video guide for Snooker Suite, a complete snooker club management system designed to track sessions, players, revenue, tables, members, and more. In this video, I'll walk you through every major feature so you can manage your snooker club more efficiently than ever. Let's get started. Here, you can monitor every table in real time. Each table shows its current status and running time. To start a new session, simply click Start on any available table. The system immediately begins tracking the session. If a player wants to temporarily stop the game, you can click pause. The session timer freezes instantly. When the player is ready to continue, simply click resume. The timer restarts exactly from where it stopped. Once the game is finished, click stop. Once a session is stopped, Snooker Suite automatically opens the billing form. If the player is already registered as a member, simply choose their name from the drop down. If the player isn't registered, you can type their name directly into the text box, then select create, and the system instantly adds them as a new player for this session. Enter the price per minute for this session. The system allows flexibility so you can apply member discounts as well. All other values, including total duration, total cost, are calculated automatically. You don't have to do any manual math. Simply confirm the bill by clicking on Save and Stop. Billing by frames. Select the players and enter the price per minute as usual. Click Bill by frames. Enter the number of frames lost for each player. Click Submit, and the bill for each player will be calculated based on frames instead of time. This method is ideal when players prefer paying per frame rather than by table duration. Before we move into the next section, let's take a quick look at the admin mode available in the main menu. At the top, you will see an option labeled admin mode. To enable it, simply toggle it on, and the system will prompt you to enter the admin password. Once the correct password is entered, admin mode unlocks additional features and management panels that regular staff can't access. Now, let's explore one of the most powerful parts of Snooker Suite, the report section. This section gives you a complete overview of every session played in your club. Here, you can view detailed records for each player, including members and guest players. Every session they've played is listed with accurate timestamps and billing information. For each entry, you'll see the total duration played, the cost per person, and the overall calculated amount. The report section includes a powerful payment section that helps you manage partial and full payments easily. Here, you can update the amount paid by each player. If you want to update payments for multiple dates, click Update Payment Status. Select a date range. Now, all players who have sessions within that range will be shown. Select any player, and the system will display their total cost and pending amount for that period. Enter the amount paid and click Update. The payment will be added to the player's records for that selected range. If amount paid equals cost per person, the status instantly updates to paid. If not, the system automatically marks the session as pending. This ensures completely accurate tracking of partial payments, outstanding dues, and player-wise balances. For even faster management, you can apply a discount to all or selected sessions of a player. Go to bulk discount, choose the player, select a date range, set the discount percentage, and apply. You can also remove previously applied discounts with a single click. The final amount updates automatically, ensuring accurate billing. To quickly find a specific record, you can filter reports by date range, player name, or game ID. This makes it easy to track individual performance, settle disputes, or review daily revenue. And finally, with just one click, you can export the entire report or just the filtered report to PDF. This is perfect for maintaining records, sharing summaries, or printing monthly statements. Next, let's move to the members page where you can manage all registered players in your club. To add someone as a member, simply enter their name and phone number. Then click Add. The system instantly registers them and store their details securely. Now let's take a look at the beverages section where you can manage your club's inventory and bill beverages to players. On the left side, you'll find the inventory panel. Here you can add new beverages by entering the beverage name and price. On the right side, you can bill beverages directly to a member. Simply select the player, choose the beverages they purchased, and the system will automatically calculate the total amount. Once the billing is completed, you can also export the beverage bill as a PDF. And finally, welcome to the Club Analytics section, the most powerful and visually dynamic part of Snooker Suite. This is where your entire club's performance come to life through detailed insights, charts, and trends. At the top, you'll find key performance indicators that summarize your club's activity. It shows you total revenue, total pending amount, average session duration, total sessions played, average cost per player, and average cost per minute. These real time metrics help you instantly understand how well your business is performing. Next, we dive into player analytics. Top players by revenue shows who contributes the most to your earnings. Top players by playtime shows who spends the most on your tables. And finally, unpaid players. This displays all players with pending payments. This list updates automatically based on the payment status you manage in the reports section. This section makes player management easier and highlights your most valuable customers. One of the most beautiful features of this section is the monthly analytics. Every day on the calendar shows how much revenue was generated on that day. By clicking on any day, you get a detailed list of players who played, their individual session costs, their payment status, paid, unpaid, or partially paid. This updates automatically based on the payment status you manage in the report section. It works like a daily journal of your club's financial activity. Now, revenue analytics. Here you get deeper financial insights through visual charts. Revenue over time tracks growth patterns and slow days. Revenue by table shows which table generates the most profit. Revenue by player shows who drives your business. Table analytics. This section focuses entirely on table performance. Most used tables, average session per table, profitability per table. Time analytics. Lastly, Snooker Suite analyzes when your club is most active. It shows you peak days of the week and seasonal revenue trends. This helps you plan staffing, offers, events, and promotions with precision. With Club Analytics, you are not just tracking numbers, you are understanding your entire business at a glance. It's the ultimate tool to help you grow your snooker club with data driven decisions. There's also an additional feature called Add Manual Data, designed to capture any sessions that may have been missed or not tracked in real time. Here, you can manually enter all the necessary details like player name, start time, end time, pause time, and price per minute. Once submitted, the system will automatically calculate the session duration and total cost, just like a normal track session. Snooker Suite also includes a powerful light control add-on. With this feature enabled, the table lights turn on automatically when a session starts and switch off the moment the session ends. If the session is paused, the lights turn off. This add-on not only saves energy but also ensures that lights are used only when needed. And that brings us to the end of our complete walkthrough of Snooker Suite. Thank you for watching this guide. If you have any doubts, feel free to reach out.